The ZeroStory Game Stick ZS-20000 is a wireless retro game console stick that comes with over 20,000 pre-installed classic games, eliminating the need for internet connection or manual downloads. Featuring a 4K High Definition Multimedia Interface output, the console ensures a high-quality gaming experience and is suitable for various monitors, from televisions to computers. The console comes with two 2.4G wireless controllers, offering stable connections with near-zero latency and supporting simultaneous play for 2 players. The ZeroStory Game Stick is easy to set up, requiring only connection to a power supply and television, and an adjustment of the TV power to the HD channel. The console also includes a feature for saving game progress, making it perfect for gaming at any time. The ZeroStory Game Stick ZS-20000 makes an ideal gift for both children and adults, offering not just fun playtime, but also a trip down memory lane for those who grew up in the 80s and 90s.